Hello violin player, welcome to Pro Strings. I'm Henriette and in this lesson we are practicing solo time, which is exercise 108 on page 32 in your book. And in this exercise we're going to explore our zigzag bowing again, and not only that, we're going to combine it with long slurs where you slur 3 notes to a bow. So on the one hand we've got the zigzag bowing which goes just beyond the middle, then a tiny bit back, and then we'll finish the bow stroke. And of course you can also have a zigzag bow stroke from the point just beyond the middle, a tiny bit back, and then finishing the bow stroke. Before we play the song, let's just familiarize ourselves again with this zigzag bowing, and we're going to play it on an open D string. So I'm going to start at the heel of the bow and I'm going like this, just beyond the middle, then a tiny bit back, and now a longer bow stroke again, which brings me to the point. And remember, my bow stroke is perfectly straight. Now we're going the other way. So we're going just past the middle of the bow, tiny bit back, and now let's join up 2 of those bow strokes. So you notice that the first of the 3 zigzag bow strokes is a little bit longer, the middle one is really short, and then a slightly longer bow stroke again at the end. So if I play the beginning of the song, it goes like this. That finishes at the point of the bow, and now I've got the whole bow. Now I'm doing a zigzag bow again. And now I've got a 3 count note, so I'm using the whole bow again. 2, 3. Here comes my zigzag again. Now I'm going to play 3 notes slurred, all notes on the D string, so use a 4th finger. And a zigzag bow here again. 1, 2, 3, zigzag again. Whole bow, zigzag, long bow, zigzag all the time now. Well done. Here at the end of the second line you see the word fine, and that is because later on we're going to go what's called da capo, from the top, and this, where you see the word fine, is where our piece eventually ends. Let's carry on now and play the 3rd line. And zigzag here. Zigzag here. Whole bow. 2, 3. Keep zigzagging here. Whole bow, use the 4th finger if you can. 2, 3, and now we're going to go back to the start of your piece. Here we go, zigzagging in bar 1. That was a super go. Now I totally get it when people say to me, this is so confusing, how do I know this? And my first response to that question is, you know that there might be zigzagging involved is when you play in 3/4 time. We've got an odd number of beats in each bar, so therefore an odd number of bow strokes in each bar. And when you combine separate bows with slurs, as we're doing here, you're going to get into a muddle if you don't allow for the zigzagging to take place. On the other hand, well, at this stage in your playing, the zigzagging is very confusing and it takes up a lot of your effort and your brain space to be able to play this and to get your head around it. Whether you play a zigzag to the point or to the heel, this will eventually get a little bit easier and it will become second nature. So give it your best shot in this song, and then we'll let go of this subject again and we'll play other things, and eventually we'll get back to it again and you'll find it a whole lot easier. So well done for sticking with me till the end of this video. If you've enjoyed this video, why not subscribe to the channel? I very much look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Goodbye.